So can you tell the top two for everyone, every young professional out there, what's a top two nugget which is important?
I think the greatest lessons, my greatest lessons have come from failure. If you have to progress in your professional life, I think one has to take risk. Okay to fail. Okay to voice your opinion fearlessly. As a leader, if you're able to do those two things, you're giving the oxygen for the plant to really grow well. Factory is shut, sales is not happening, it's your responsibility, what are you doing about it? So I froze. Like a deer caught in the headlights of a car, couldn't do anything. And I stayed like that for 3 days. फिर वो realization आया, if I don't do something, then nobody's going to do anything about it. And that realization is so powerful